Okay. All right, remember Bofuri Gata. Make sure you guys have some distance from each other so you don't hit each other. Because we're going to practice a number of things. So remember Bofuri Gata, we face off to the target. Maybe the tripod's the target, right? Left side.
Left side goal.
Bring it up. So you're like baseball now. And golf swing. I have to do it a little different with this because it's longer. Let this tip go over. Motorcycle. Baseball. Golf swing. Okay. Motorcycle. Baseball. When we do this, we switch our feet. Replace the one in the front with the one in the rear. Okay. Up and back. Okay. So now go ahead and practice the Bofuri Gata, moving back both sides. Okay. Try to put your sense right now into the ground so you know how far or close you are to the ground. Put your sense into that. So each edge that comes to the ground, feel it. Try to get your unconscious mind to sense where that's at. If it's going to hit the ground. Hit the ground because it's here where we need to feel, fail safely and feel where that ground is. So go ahead and hit it as you come around, just to feel the ground. Yeah, and then you just back it off a little bit. Okay? All right. Okay, one more time. Let's start it again together. Okay, left foot facing your sideways. This is Ichimonji with the bow or the yari. All right, left side facing. We're gonna take and rotate it backwards. The Bofuri is always backwards with this sideways thing, right? Okay, so then it comes up to like we're doing a baseball. Get ready to swing, and then it turns into a golf swing. And the golf swing is coming upwards at the target, yeah? And then we switch sides, switch feet. So once again, from motorcycle, I'm facing this way, motorcycle. Now I go turn and face this direction. I'm now got a baseball, right? And then I step and switch feet. Okay, like I'm gonna hit the ball out of the park. Then this hand flips it over and I'm back into baseball or motorcycle on this side. Okay, baseball, golf, motorcycle, baseball, golf, motorcycle, baseball, golf, motorcycle, baseball, golf. Okay. Now for those of you who got this down, I want you, when you do golf, I want you to push it forward so you reach out towards the end, push the end forward, ski, and pull it back. So it's motorcycle, baseball, golf, motorcycle, baseball, golf. Now, let's come back together. Now I would like you to try it without gripping and without stopping anywhere. So it's just a flow. To worry about focusing on hitting anything right now or projecting your energy, but rather focus on flowing with this. So the flow would be if you got that little thing, but your goal is, see how my hands just slide across this? They're sliding and not necessarily grabbing other than maybe to push it here. So it should flow. as much as possible. Okay, when you get that, then start going all directions. Turn sideways now, the other direction. And then turn backwards. And then turn the opposite direction. So go all 4 directions.